Yo, everybody, this is Dan DeFi, and if you'll notice today we're on a different setup. So we're going to try something a little different. I'm using a MacBook Pro for recording. And yeah, let's just get right into what we're going to talk about today. So, first of all, guys, we're in this MacBook Pro, so things might look a little different, but don't worry, we'll get it. We'll get everything. Um, we'll get all the information in here. I knew my dog was gonna bust in. He always likes to bust into my room when I start recording. So, Bitcoin's at 41. We've been talking about this, guys. We know what's happening with Bitcoin. Let's keep going. Solana's real cheap. Grab some Solana. It's on sale. Seriously, I'm not even joking. Polkadot. I'm actually thinking about just selling my Polkadot to buy more Matic. Matic's extremely cheap price right now. If you guys want to grab some more Matic, that's what I would be buying. If I had like stuff I was going to get into, I'd buy more Matic because the price is just dumb cheap. What else we got going on? Well, I mean, I'm not really here to go through every single token like we usually do. You know, we're still holding our sands. I think sand will go way back up, guys. Just holding through this little job we had. H bar, same thing. We never let go of our H bar, so that's just that. But guys, this video really isn't about me talking about token price like usual. I did want to touch on just a few and kind of, get. Kind of do our normal. But today we're going to talk about something a little different. So I've actually been really interested, guys, in building on Hedera. So basically, developing infrastructure or developing on Hedera. But there's a couple things you need to be able to start working on Hedera and building dApps. So what is a dApp? We can Google that, guys, and basically it's a decentralized application. So here is basically an illustration. This might be the best way to show you guys. So this is how a dApp works. All right, this computer's not used to handling this load. It might be like a little bit of a load for this MacBook, and we're not. The internet is actually not. It's hardwired on the other rig, and on here it's wireless. So we might have a little delay sometimes on the internet, but sorry guys. So if you look right now, this is how like Web2 is, and everything is set up this way. It's a a data center like a Google Cloud or AWS, and then the ISP. And if you look at the dApps, this is how a dApp is set up. And sorry, someone just came and gave me something. And this is how a dApp is set up. And basically, a dApp is a decentralized application. So the app lives inside of it's still like natively it's still on some server, but the server is decentralized. It's hard to explain the exact like how the decentralization. Here we go. Maybe we could. So yeah, see here. So if you look, so the internet, right, and then it's on a server, right? So it's housed on AWS or something, right? Cloud server, whatever. So a decentralized application, guys, is so you can see the blockchain or where it's hosted is some type of peer-to-peer. And it talks about nodes, right? So when you run a node, you're helping to run an application. So, I mean, Hedera has nodes. A lot of these companies have nodes. So that's what a decentralized app is. But I really wanted to get into that, guys, because I'm looking to build a dApp. and but you can't build a Dapp um, without coding, and you need to be able to code to build a Dapp. And I've actually been on my coding journey for some time now. Um, I've been trying to become a developer in my regular career. Um, I do. I just want to become a developer. I think that code is the ultimate superpower. So I've always thought code was the ultimate superpower for a while. And coding's free to learn, guys. You don't gotta, uh, you don't have to go to a coding boot camp. But I'm about to tell you about the coding boot camp that I'm going to, so that I can learn more code. So, anyways, I just wanted to point out, I mean, there is like documents. Like I'm over here on this getting started on hedera for developers, so I can go through, guys, and read all this and kind of follow along. But it's a lot better if I actually know what I'm doing. So, I decided to use some veteran benefits that I have left from serving in the military um, to go to PDX Code Guild. So, PDX Code Guild is a code boot camp. It's based in Oregon, um, and I'll be going to the full stack boot camp day. So this is actually right here. The boot camp I'll be going to is March 14th, and the end date of June 24th. It's in Python, so I'm pretty excited about that. And we've been going through our pre-course, and the pre-course has really showed me a lot, guys. So let's just talk about that real quick. So, in the pre-course, I've actually got to use VS Code, and as you can see, I have some lines that are jacked up or whatever. But that's not the purpose of the video. Is to show you so. Um, Basically, we've gone through programming 101 this week, and I've been able to complete. So if you guys look, I've been able to complete several different, basically coding like labs that we do in the class. All my labs have ran. As you can see, some of them I gotta fix some. The ones who's not happy. Um, but you can see I've got to experience some Python this week, and next week is programming 102, and I'm super excited to get started with that and just get more practice coding Python, guys. It's all about learning, and I definitely will be getting hopefully cleaner at coding because I know that I like to have a little bit less errors. But I'm just getting started. It's my first week of really practicing, so I'm pretty excited about it, guys. I'm always looking forward to learning something new. So I think it's excellent to learn new things, and I'm just super stoked about what's to come, guys. About getting into my actual boot camp will be great, and just learning, um, more Python. So eventually, what I'm gonna do is when I graduate, I want to get into Web3 development. I might have to learn some Solidity, but I already do like HTML, CSS, some JavaScript. There's always room for improvement on each of these languages. Definitely for my JavaScript, I need to definitely need to improve the JavaScript a little bit. But so we've done these different challenges, guys, all through this week. Every day class has been in the PM, so it's been great. I'm really happy about that. Um, and to I chose PDX a long time ago. I wanted to go there, but actually because of all the COVID stuff. Sorry, I had a hair, like a hair fell off the hat from I think my fiance was wearing my hat. Um, but with all the COVID stuff, that's what's enabling me to go to PDX right now because it's remote. As you know, I'm around the Detroit area, and this is in Oregon, so I'm just super happy that I was able to go. So far, PDX has been awesome. The instructors I've had have been awesome, and I just want to give them a brief shout out in the video for for being a good course so far. I even think the pre-course was great. And if you want to learn some basic stuff about Python, do the pre-course. It's free, and you'll know if you want to become a developer or not. That's for sure. Um, So I don't really have like a huge GitHub yet, guys. Some of these are just practices that I've done and stuff like that. Um, but I'll be cleaning up my GitHub soon and posting some stuff as I get building the Dapp. I'm probably gonna involve the channel, I think, on it. Maybe I don't really know. I don't really have plans yet on what I want to build either. So, um, but yeah, guys, this is kind of just a video we're doing to see how the Apple settings are. So, if you guys like the audio or just let me know what's going on with the video, how if it's any improvement. Um, yeah, I think I think that's all we really had to get into. We talked about the coins a little bit. Like I said, guys, we're still the same. Grab your Matic, grab your H bar, and hold on tight, and stack up those. And there's a couple other ones we'll be talking about soon that I've been looking at, and a couple other metaverse projects as well that we'll be getting into. And um, as always, thanks for supporting our channel, and I'll post. You can always like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll post a link um, once I get started, guys. I'll post a new video. I mean, um, of what kind of DApp I'm going to build and when we're going to get started. So I'm pretty excited about it, and I'm really planning in the planning stage right now. Um, so of what's going to happen. So I think that's about it for today, guys. You guys have an awesome rest of the day, and thanks for supporting the channel. Peace.